Hello guys, happy new week. In this video, I am going to teach you how to buy Proton XPR tokens. Proton XPR is a utility token used to pay for services on the Proton network, including transaction fees and network usage. So guys, if you are interested in this project, the current price of XPR is 0.003979 US dollars. So guys, XPR is up 1.67% in 24 hours. In 7 days, XPR was up 5.19%. So guys, you can take advantage of the current price of XPR if you have spare money. I believe this project will do well in the next bull run. So guys, if you have CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, search for XPR. When you search for XPR, you click on markets. So guys, these are the list of crypto exchange where you can buy XPR tokens. So guys, I'm going to show you how to buy XPR on BitGet exchange. So guys, this is BitGet exchange. If you want to buy XPR on BitGet exchange, the first thing you will do is this. You will register on BitGet. So guys, you can use my link in the description to register. After your registration, you will do your KYC. After your KYC, you buy USDT stablecoin. So guys, on the BitGet exchange platform, you click on markets. When you click on markets, in the search space, you type XPR. You click on spot. You click on trade. So guys, make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. So guys, if you want to buy XPR, you have to join the queue. The blue part of the spot trade is the queue. The red part of the spot trade is people that are selling. The blue part of the spot trade for XPR is people that are buying. So guys, you join the queue, you buy XPR tokens. If you have 5 USDT, 5 USDT will buy you 1,253 XPR tokens. You click on buy. When you click on buy, you click on assets, you click on spot, you check for your XPR tokens. So guys, this is how to buy XPR on BitGet exchange. If you have Mexi exchange, you click on markets. In the search space, you type XPR, you click on spot. So guys, make sure you have USDT in your spot wallet. You join the queue. The green part of the spot trade is the queue. These are people that are buying XPR. The red part is people that are selling XPR. So guys, join the queue. You can use $10 to buy XPR tokens. So guys, $10 will give you 2,506 XPR tokens. You click on wallet. You click on spot. So guys, this is where you will see your XPR tokens. If you have Trust Wallet, you can also buy XPR on PancakeSwap. So guys, I have some of my XPR tokens in my Trust Wallet. You can store your XPR on Trust Wallet. You can store your XPR on SafePower Wallet. So guys, on Trust Wallet, you click on browser. You click on discover. You click on desk. Then you click on PancakeSwap. Make sure you have BNB. So guys, you will swap from BNB to buy XPR tokens. So guys, this is how to buy XPR on PancakeSwap. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.